Procrastination. They say it is a thief of time. According to me, it is a thief of mind. Imagine if you have this idea, but you keep on boasting about tomorrow. You will never be able to put your dreams into reality. Do you know where the richest place in the world is? It is graveyard. Yes, it is graveyard. Because there is laying a man who had an idea of how to cure cancer. But because he kept on procrastinating until it was too late, he chose to make the soil rich with his ideas. Procrastination is a disease that cannot be lowered, but it can be cured. If you fail to start off your assignment because you find it overwhelming, you must try a different approach. Do not wait until tomorrow comes. Deal with it now. Do not stop until you get it done. Stop punishing yourself for procrastinating. Commit yourself fully to the task. Think about the benefits of doing the task. Minimize distractions. Do not plan sitting down. Act as you go. Aim for a higher level over than being perfect. Do not give yourself a permission to fail. Those who are procrastinating, they lack vision. They are not well organized. They always run to excuses. But you are not like them. Take a stand now. Take your dream into reality. The only way to get things done is to begin right now. Not today, but right now. It is either now or later, but it can't be both. The wasted time never returns. Do it now. Later becomes never, and never becomes later. Procrastinating is a degree of boasting about tomorrow. Stop procrastinating, but start progressing. From now on, you stop procrastinating, but process powerful problems properly and problem provided. The ball is in your court. Now play it wisely.